Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
ChatGPT just rolled out a major upgrade and it completely changes how you can create digital products. You can generate high quality printable designs with clean text, better structure, and way more detail than before. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create 5 different printable products in under minutes using ChatGPT's image tool. These aren't just random designs either. These are products you can realistically upload and start selling right away. Let's jump in. In the past, AI generated images had one big problem, which is text. It often looked distorted, misspelled, or just poorly placed, right? That made it harder to create anything professional. But now the results are much more refined. The fonts look cleaner, the layouts make more sense, and overall, the designs are actually usable. So, for the first example, we're creating an invitation. Open ChatGPT on your browser and start a new chat. From there, click on the Create Image option. You'll see settings for layout and model. For most printables, it's best to use a portrait format, especially if you're designing something like an invitation or flyer. Standard letter size is 8.5 by 11 inches. This is a safe choice. When writing your prompt, try to keep the background white. This makes it easier for customers to print at home without using too much ink, and it avoids awkward cropping issues. Once your prompt is ready, send it and let ChatGPT generate the design. Within seconds, you'll get a clean, polished invitation layout. If something doesn't look right, you can select specific parts of the image and request edits directly. Once you're satisfied, download the file. Next, bring it into Canva. Create a custom design with the same dimensions, then upload your image. Adjust the design slightly to leave space around the edges for printer margins. After that, use Canva's upscale feature to improve the resolution. If you want to take things further, you can edit the design, you can change the fonts, tweak colors, or adjust elements. You can even turn it into an editable Canva template, which is a great option if you want to sell higher value digital products. Now let's move on to the second printable, a kid sports tracker. This type of product is simple, but it performs well because it's practical. Before creating anything, it's a good idea to check what's already selling. So look for designs that have low competition but steady demand. Once you have your idea, go back into ChatGPT and generate your design. You'll then get a clean and structured layout that's easy to use. One smart move here is to create multiple variations. For example, you can generate both portrait and landscape versions of the same tracker. This allows you to offer more options in one listing, which can make your product much more appealing to buyers. So, download your design, upload it into Canva, then adjust the margins and upscale the image. Then export it as a printable PDF. At that point, it's ready to be uploaded to your shop. The third printable is a budget tracker, especially a 30-day savings challenge. This is a popular category, but the key is making your design stand out. After generating your initial version, try experimenting with different styles. You can ask ChatGPT to redesign it using a specific theme, like minimalist, pastel, or boho western. Adding a unique style instantly makes your product more eye catching. For example, a boho western theme adds a personality and gives your design a trendy look that's currently popular. So instead of offering just one version, you can create multiple styles and bundle them together. So bundles tend to perform better because they offer more value to the customer. So once you've created your variations, download them and upload it to Canva and use the upscale tool to improve quality. Then export everything as printable files. Next is a meal planner. This one is quick to create and always in demand. So start a new chat, switch your layout to landscape, and enter your prompt. ChatGPT will generate a clean and organized planner that's easy to follow. You'll notice that the spacing and alignment are already much better than before. So still you can refine the design in Canva if needed, adjust the margins, tweak colors, or add small details to enhance the overall look. Once everything looks good, download and export it as PDF. Finally, let's create an adult coloring page. For this type of product, you can either choose a square format or a portrait layout depending on where you plan to sell it. If you're targeting platforms like Amazon KDP, make sure to follow the recommended dimensions. So, generate your coloring page in ChatGPT, then download the image and upload it into Canva. Here's an important step: adjust the contrast and black levels. So, increasing these settings makes the lines darker and more defined, which is exactly what you want for a coloring page. So, the goal is to have clean, bold outlines that are easy to print and color. After making those adjustments, export your final design. And just like that, you've created 5 different printable products in less than 10 minutes. Now imagine repeating this process consistently. So, testing different ideas, exploring new styles, and building a collection of products. You don't need advanced design skills to get started. What matters is understanding what people are looking for and using the tools available to create something useful. ChatGPT helps you generate ideas and designs quickly, while Canva allows you to refine and customize them. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you want a Gemini powered website fast, you've got to check out Wibera. Most people spend hours, even days, trying to build a website. You need to write the content, pick a design, edit images, arrange sections, and if you're not a designer or developer, it becomes a headache. But with Wibera, you can skip all of that. Just describe your business, type what you want, and Wibera uses Gemini level AI intelligence to instantly create a complete website for you. It writes your text, designs your layout, chooses your colors, generates your images, and makes everything mobile friendly. No coding, no design skills, just results. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, creator, or running an agency, Webera helps you build beautiful, professional websites in minutes. You can launch landing pages, portfolios, service sites, anything faster than ever. So if you want a clean, modern, Gemini powered website right now, click the link below and try Webera today. Don't wait, your website is literally one click away. So what are you waiting for? Get Webera now. Just go to getwebera.in.